Foshan Shunde DMAIS Electrical and Mechanical Equipment Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and trader specialized in the research, development, and production of laminator and digital cutter. The product is mainly applied to printing shop and advertising company. Established in 2012, our factory is located in the Pearl River Delta, Shunde District, Foshan City, with convenient transportation access. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries, including Europe, Russia, USA, Mexico, India, Pakistan, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Middle East, and South America. With the rapid development over 10 years, we have evolved from simple cold laminator to automatic laminating machine series, leather laminating machine series, cutting machine, and so on. All our products are past the CE, and all products will be tested to make sure the quality before shipping. We independently R&D of silicone roller. It's the important part of the laminator. The silicone roller with better flexibility and longer life. Our R&D department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM, ODM projects. The machine can be customized according to customers' demands. We can produce at least 5,000 pieces laminators per year. We are a reliable supplier of laminator with 12 months warranty. We are looking forward to get more cooperation around the world.